I'm Lynn, this is Lynn's Den. Welcome back to another video, or if this is your first one, hey, how are you? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
So, it is also a collaboration with Bigtittydude. I'm excited to collab with them again. I love them so much. Go check them out. Also, go check out their music channel. Do that. Yeah, okay. I'll leave both links in the description. I just told you it was a collab. I didn't tell you what I was doing or anything. I'm gonna be doing, well, we're both gonna be doing gold makeup looks. Don't know what either of us are doing, anything like that, and I'm very excited. So my idea is to do hint a very glossy look, and you will see how that comes out. Sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I don't know why I keep doing that. My bad. First things first, I'm gonna use the POREfessional Pore Primer from Benefit. I'm just gonna put that around my face, and I also have to get a one specifically for the eyes. If you remember watching one of my other videos, I said that back then too. I just keep forgetting. Okay, so after you let the primer sit for a little bit, you're going to, well, I'm going to put concealer on the eyelids specifically. I'm going to be using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I'm going to start writing, or I'm going to, at least for this video, I'm going to put all the products I used in the description. And make sure you guys are cleaning your brushes. I'm going to put the gold one from this ColourPop palette, but I made this palette, oh, from back here, there you go. Okay. I'm gonna use the gold one up here. They have a build your own palette on ColourPop. If you haven't tried it, I recommend it. I'll let you know actually how long the pans last, because I mean, I think they are normal size. Yeah, they're normal sized. And it was, I think, 21 around there, just so you know. I didn't like that brush. I couldn't find the brush I was looking for, but you want one that like you can like pack it on, not like a blending brush like I was just using. Because now, like, look at that coverage. And then you can blend it out after, but like, pack this shit on. I don't know, it looks more yellow than gold. So I ended up using, on top of the ColourPop one, Foil Eyes from BH Cosmetics. And they just have one gold one in that palette. It's just like a basic gold. So all I did was finish making the eyes, like even color wise, and I cleaned up the sides, and now I'm just cleaning up by my brows, and then you'll see what I do next. Anyone else playing Animal Crossing? It just came out yesterday. I love it. I love it so much. Now I'm going to do my brows and then do concealer. Let's go. also, if you need anything to listen to, I have a bunch of Spotify playlists that I make every month. Well, I make one every month, so there's a bunch there. You can go check them out, link below. Yeah. I just realized I forgot to put primer. Okay, so now that concealer's done, I'm going to do foundation. I don't know what foundation works for you. Comment below, let me know. But I use Fenty Beauty and Sephora. Just Sephora. Done. I'm going to put powder on, and basically I just want everything to look super matte besides the things that I'm gonna have glossy. Or I'm gonna use Too Faced Ray of Light Love Light highlighter. So I'm gonna take the gold again from the foil eyes, and I'm gonna put it like highlighter on my cheeks and then on my nose. I'm going to do my lips gold as well. Just regular mascara from Lancome. Stay Glossy from Rimmel. This was the only like clear lip gloss I could find at the store. And now for the final test. The finale. And I'm scared as shit, bro. I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't know what happened. But I'm done with my makeup. Make sure you go check out Bigtittydude does his video. I'll leave the link in the description. Go give them a sub, watch the video, they're amazing. Let me know what you think about this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, have a good week, have a good month, have a good year. Love you.